These are the WheelBrightz wheel lights. These are really great for making your kids nice and visible.
We want to thank WheelBrightz for sending us this sample for review, and we may receive commission on eligible purchases.
You basically just kind of wrap this around here, weave it in and out of the spokes, and then they provide these nice zip ties here to mount it really well. We did the spiral kind of pattern. It looks really nice at night when you turn this on. It goes through kind of a pattern where it just kind of moves through the different colors. But what's cool is if you hit the button again, it pauses on whatever color you leave it, you click it the second time. So now it's blue, it's staying on blue. And then if I click it a third time, it turns off. So you can actually kind of choose a color that you want it to be if you want. One thing to keep in mind is, I think this is because this is a youth bike, is that this panel here that you have to open to put in the batteries, it's pretty challenging to access on like a youth bike, but I don't think that would be as much of a problem on a larger diameter adult bike. I think you'd be able to open that panel no problem. This case here, it has a rubber kind of thing here that you can remove. If you're doing this on a youth bike, you'll want to install the batteries before you actually mount this thing, so that makes it a little bit easier for you. So check them out. I love how they look. They're fun. That's great. So if you want it to stay on a different color, you just click it a second time. Now it's stuck on that one color. And then click it a third time to turn it off.